was supposed to wake up. I ended up sleeping for 2 more hours. I wanted to go do stuff, but apparently not. Looking a little crusty. Deodorant, give it a little sniff, and then you just pull up your shirt and you I hope you're happy. Oh, this is so difficult. I'm just trying to get these good angles for you guys, okay? Why can I never open stuff? Am I right or am I right? Just fuck it. Oh, so blurry. What the heck? Okay, we're doing that, guys. What the heck? There's people walking all around me. I feel very uncomfy. Fuck, how do I drive? Oh, yeah. Oh, not in the mood, dude. Not in the mood. I shouldn't have gone down this way. I have class that starts at 11 and it's 10:15 right now. It takes me quite a while to get there. Shut up. I stayed up until like 7 a.m. I'm roughly on 45 minutes of sleep, so that's why the vlog's titled this, because I want to clickbait you. But then I fell asleep for another 2 hours, so joke's on you! No, but really. We're not doing well today, sis. We're not doing well today! So if you guys are watching this vlog right now and loving it and loving vlogmas, please comment the goggle emoji. I'll see you at school. Probably not, because I don't like to vlog at school, but hey, bye. Shape, guys. We're going to a cafe right now because that's just how we do. That's just how we do. I'm so out of breath. Nice up close. That's what I got. Oh my god, that looks so funny. I have a 2-page paper due in a couple hours, and look at how far I've gotten. We have a lot of... Love you. Love you. Bye. Okay, my oil light just turned on. Like, what? So if you go get it checked, this will tell you if you got a leak or not. I'm so annoyed. Like, what the heck? Just call them and you tell them where you're located. You know that cut. So just hang tight. Let me get the information here. Let's see here. Why am I literally crying in every single video? Oh my god, dude. I'm so over this! Okay, guys. So let me tell you what's going on. Pretty much. Pretty much. I think I put too much oil in my car, or I have a... Fuck! It's so cold. Or I have an oil leak and my car sounds like a truck and it can't go up any hills. And I have a final, a freaking essay doing class, dude, in 20 minutes. I hate this so much, dude. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa, today was a nightmare. Okay, my car got towed, and that's all I have to say about that. And now I've been editing for the past hour. We're not doing well at all, okay? But the vlogmases have to get done. Like, who cares about sleep? You know what I mean? We're editing until the sun rises and until we post. God. Kinda gross. Keep it cooking. I need some energy. Coffee's ready, coffee's ready, coffee's ready, coffee's ready. Cheers, guys. Cheers.